Hey, I'm new to this YouTube channel and stuff, so today we'll be talking about some Nerf guns. We have Nerf Rival, Nerf Accurate Strike, Nerf Mega, Nerf Zombie, and Nerf Dual Strike. Rival shoots these little orangish colored balls right here. Mega shoots these mega red bullets. Zombie shoots these green bullets. And if you're not new to this, you all know that the dual strike shoots the elite bullets and the mega. So we're gonna see how far. First, we're gonna see how far the dual strike shoots a mega bullet. Ready? Okay. Here you go. 1, 2. You see, it did not go as far as I thought it would. So I gotta go get it. It's right here. Now I'm gonna shoot it down the road. See how far it goes. And as you see that the elite bullets went farther than the mega bullets. So as you see in the dual strike, the elite bullets shoot farther than the mega bullets. Now we're going to try Nerf Zombie. As you see, Nerf Zombie's got this little pull thing where you pull it and it switches the clip. It holds 12 bullets and it is really good when you're just fighting zombies. If you're fighting zombies. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot it. And we're gonna see how far it shoots. 1, 2. Oh, jam. Come on, guys. Alright. Now to shoot. Another jam. Now trust me. Hope it works. 1, 2, 3. Apparently it is not shooting today. Apparently it don't want to work. So I don't know what's up. If it's broke, we'll give it one last try. If it don't work, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Finally. I thought it would go far. It did not. The mega shot farther than the zombie, but the elite shot farther than both guns. So now we're gonna try out Mega. Now the Mega holds 6 bullets. But we're gonna test them out. So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna test it out, okay? So we're going out here. And since it's a mega gun and not half of a mega and half elite, it should shoot farther. 1, 2, holy. As you see, if it's 100% mega, then it'll shoot farther than half mega guns, Nerf guns. So the dual strike, so the mega shot farther than the dual strike. And the zombie did not shoot farther than any of them, so the zombie it's not looking too good for the zombie gun. So now we're gonna try, let me get up here, and now we're gonna try the rival. Now, as you look at the rival has a pretty good amount of pressure when you shoot it, because you can tell it has safety on it. Right here has a safety, and it's kind of hard to pull back. It holds 7 bullets, and it shoots pretty far. So give me a sec to load it. Okay, it's loaded. And now we're gonna shoot it. 1, 2, 3. The mega did not shoot farther. I mean, the rival did not shoot farther than the mega. If I said mega for the rival, y'all all knew I meant rival. So, see, I'm new to this stuff. So apparently, the mega shot farther than the rival. So the mega apparently is shooting farther than all of the guns right now. The last one we got is the Accurate Strike. The Accurate Strike is known for its name because the Accurate Strike series Falcon Fire Nerf gun is known for its name because it shoots straighter than all of the guns. It's called Accurate Strike series. When we shoot it, this gun will be testing out twice: how far it shoots and how straight it can shoot. So if it shoots straight and shoots far, so since it shoots straight, it also could shoot far. So we're gonna test it out. Gotta make sure it's loaded. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yikes. Apparently, the Accurate Strike Falcon Fire series does not shoot as good as all the rest of the guns did, but it did have a straight angle. Let's give that one more try just to make sure. One, 2, 3. That time it shot a little bit farther, but did not go that far. So as you see, the mega shoots farther than all of the guns. So the mega it shoots farther than the rival, and it shoots farther than the Accurate Strike, the Dual Strike, and the zombie. So that tells us that out of all the guns that I have here today, the mega shoots farther than all of them. Sincerely, I thought the rival would, but apparently something's up with the rival. I will check that out in case we use it just in case we use it in our next video. Please smash that like button and comment on what video you would like us to do. Would you like us to do zombies, Nerf War, or World War I? Smash that like button if you like this video. Bye.